discussed some of the features of the Nagar style. So this is a Nagar style temple or the North Indian temple that we generally see in North India. Okay, so this is the Garbhagriha. Okay, this is what? Shikhar. And Kalash se niche there is a disc which is known as Amlak. Okay, so we had discussed the parts of the temple. Then there was Jagati. Jagati means the platform on which the temple was built. That is Jagati. और एक और चीज़ थी अंतराल. That was the area between the Garbhagriha and the Mandap was the अंतराल. So this was the Nagar style. ठीक है, we have discussed parts of the temple. So this is Garbhagriha where the idol is placed. Idol of the main god is placed. This is Garbhagriha. Above the Garbhagriha, a tower is made. This is a tower which is known as Shikhar. Shikhar has one disc-like structure which is known as Amlak, and above it is a Kalash. A small inverted Kalash is there. Okay. And then this is, what is this? Jagati. Jagati means a praised platform, and the devotee, these are the steps to the temple. The devotee would enter from here, and these are the mandaps. So what happened with time, more and more mandaps were added to the temple to make it grand. Okay. So what we wrote in the last class, features mein, that Panchatan style of temple making was there. Then images of river goddess. Then third feature, no grand boundary was there, and water tank. This is the another feature of Nagar style, that Pradakshin Path means the passage for circumambulation, it was covered. Now one more thing is that the temple wall, now you can see this is, what is this? This is the Shikhar. Okay, this is Amlak and Kalash. Okay. Now one more thing was done, that this temple wall, can you see it is divided into number of vertical planes. So if a wall, see, if this is wall should have been like this, but now it is divided in such a way so as to make it what? 3 panel, 1, 2, 3. Why? This is for the decorative purposes. So from inside more and more sculptures could be added. Like you can see Triratha. So here the wall is divided into 3 parts like this. 1, 2 and 3. This is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. Okay. And here this is Panchratha. So the wall was divided into 5 parts. Okay, so a wall which should have been a straight, now it was divided into 5 vertical layers. So there can be carving from outside as well as from inside. Okay, so now this is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is known as Rath. Okay, Panchrath. Similarly, wall was divided into 7 and into 9, as you can see in this temple. Can you see? Small layers are there, vertical layers. Okay, so wall was divided into 9. Similarly, wall was divided into 7 layers. So this is known as Rath. Now what is the use of it? So this is Trirath, Panchrath and Saptarath. So a wall was divided like this into 1 part, 2 and 3rd. Similarly, Panchrath 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I'll show you. Like this is a Khajuraho temple. So can you see the wall was divided into certain layers so that different stories can be narrated in different layer. This is one story, this is one panel, this is one panel. Okay, so from inside the sculptures were made like this. So this is one layer, second layer, third, fourth, fifth, okay, like this. So from inside to make the temple more decorative. So you can see how the temple, it became complex afterwards with time. Okay, it it was decorated more, okay, and it was intricately carved. The last feature of the Nagar style, shikhar could be of three types. First is Latina, or also known as Rekha Prasad. So the normal shikhar that we saw till now is the Latina one. Okay, this is the most common that we see across the North Indian temples. This kind of shikhar. Okay, I told you inverted beehive. So this shape is the most common. So wall slope inwards to a point. So you can see the wall, it slope inwards to the top. So here you can see what you can notice in this temple. Many towers are there. So this is the main shikhar. Which type of shikhar? Latina, okay, that we are studying. But you can see, to give it a more beautiful look, okay, and this temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. So to give it a look of a Kailash mountain. So the idea is to give it a feeling of a mountain. So these are the small mountains, and this is the highest mountain, which is the Kailash mountain. इस तरह से इस temple को बनाया गया है. Okay, so you can see cluster of towers. So small towers are there. Okay, and they are built in cluster. So this is what we wrote. What is the difference? What is the difference with the first one? Yes, it is more broader and shorter also. So height is, as compared to the previous one, height is short and it is more, base is more broad. The previous one, it was curving inward in this way, okay, in the Latina type. But here what you can see, there are slabs, different slabs are there, and the size of the slab is decreasing so that it becomes narrower at the top. Okay, so this is the difference, that there are number of slabs, okay, and their length is decreasing so that it becomes narrow at the top. Okay, and it is shorter than the previous one and broader than the previous one. Okay, so you should know what is Latina shikhar, what is this shikhar. अगर pre में question आता है कि Latina, Famsana and one more that I will be discussing are the types of what, and they will give you 4 choice. तो आपको identify करना है कि क्या है, ठीक है. तो this type was mostly, it was utilized for making मंडप, ठीक है. तो मोस्टली जैसे हमने देखा था मंडप क्या होते हैं, जहाँ पे वर्शिपर्स दे स्टैंड फॉर वर्शिपिंग. तो मंडप में जो ऊपर शिखर बनाया जाता था वो इस स्टाइल का बनाया जाता था. ओके, दिस इज थर्ड टाइप विच इज नोन एज वल्लभी शिखर. So this is in the form of a box, okay, a trunk in the form of a bamboo cart. पहले जो बैलगाड़ी चलती थी, it was like this. Okay, so it was conceived like this in the form of a bamboo cart. So we have studied 3 types of what, shikhar, but the most common is the Latina type that you will witness almost everywhere in North India. Okay. So these are the features of the Nagar style.